It doesn't take long for your car to get dirty, especially if you have kids or pets, which is why it's a good idea to have your own car cleaning kit on hand. There are many products available to choose the best car cleaning kits, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit hits the trifecta of performance, value and versatility. These premium products clean and protect from the roof to the tires, and the kit includes reusable microfiber towels, a washing mitt, and foam applicator pads to get the big jobs done. Paint preparation is a snap with a boxed set of clay bars that extract embedded crud and scratches 2.0 that knocks out swirls left behind by the drive-through car wash. Gold Class Car Wash and Liquid Wax bring conditioners, carnauba and polymer waxes together for a car show-worthy shine. The Quick Detailer doubles as a clay bar lubricant or spot cleanups in between washes, and Endurance Tire Gel leaves a deep gloss finishing touch where the rubber meets the road. Number 2. Chemical Guys 20-Piece Arsenal Builder. The Chemical Guys 20-Piece Arsenal Builder is the one kit to get to clean, condition, protect and shine every single surface, material and finish on every kind of vehicle. One kit to rule them all, so to speak. An innovative and high-quality product lineup has earned the California-based company a dedicated following, and the comprehensive kit packs everything from heavy-duty cleaners to water-repellent fabric coatings. This kit also comes with the garden hose-powered foam gun soapy sprayer, which should be sufficient for most applications. Number 3. Adam's Arsenal Builder. Like the Chemical Guys Arsenal Builder, this similarly named kit throws in just about everything you might need for interior and exterior detail work, although serious pros will still want to invest in their own brushes for small spaces inside. Adam's Arsenal Builder puts equal emphasis on the exterior and interior products as well, so this is a very balanced set of tools and often quite a bit cheaper to buy than the Chemical Guys products. This much gear will keep you well stocked for an entire season of car shows and beyond without really breaking the bank. The products are of decent quality too, though Adam's is less well known than the Chemical Guys. Number 4. Chemical Guys 14-Piece Arsenal. Chemical Guys makes quality products that we really like here at Cars. What we love about this car care kit is the fact it truly covers all the basics. You get a car wash bucket with a grit guard, a wash mitt, microfiber towels and a host of cleaning products. That includes interior and exterior products to do a whole car inside and out. Heck, you even get a foam cannon that works with a garden hose if that's what you want. This is a car detailing kit we'd recommend to anyone. Number 5. HMPLL 10-Piece Auto Care Detailing Brush Set. For an interior-specific car cleaning kit, we decided to look specifically at the tools you'll really appreciate for the finer details. Inside, you'll really adore a good set of brushes and tools made specifically for hard-to-reach areas. This 10-piece interior detailer set from HMPLL includes a host of different standard brushes to scrub switches and knobs, and air vent brushes. The latter you'll really appreciate, we promise. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.